right, guys, I had somebody thought this was pretty cool. So I thought it was worth doing a video on. So you have probably many different presentations. I happen to have this one is what somebody saw, so I figured I would use this. Whether you have landing pages, whether you have guides for this or that, you have a ton of presentations, hopefully, inside of your Canva. If not, we have another video that'll come out on the relocation guide. So basically anything that you may have guides on, use ChatGPT, make them. This, I just wanted to be able to show that I have this on our website. So you can use Canva, have a creation of any presentation, and basically embed it on your website. So I have this more of like a flip book. If I come up just a little bit so you can kind of see. So lots of different things that we have. What I love, so we have all of this fun stuff that is all in this presentation. So, and it's a live document. Embedding it will make it live. So as I make changes inside of Canva, on my website will always reflect the updated changes. So what I do is I have my presentation. I am going to share. And you can see I've already used the embed. So if I come over to more, if you don't see the embed, you just click on the embed code and one of these two should work for you. I can't remember. I believe I used the HTML code, or I could use the smart embed link, almost making it like an iframe code. So if one doesn't work, definitely try another. This happens to be on Wix, which may be different than if you're using Chime, kvCORE, any platform like that. Play with the two. It should work on, one of those links should work for you. But it is pretty cool because I can do whatever presentation we may have, and I can literally embed it on my website. And what I love, because I used to use Issue and all of these other ones to have a flip book. And then every time I updated it, which I update a lot, I'd have to go and redo everything on it. So doing it in Canva, a presentation, which is all this is, it could be a flyer, it could be anything, multiple pages, make sure everything's all in one, and then just go and share and select that embed code and use one of these links for your HTML and see which one will work, resize as you need to. But I thought that was pretty cool and definitely worth sharing. I want to see what you guys do. Put in the comments below if you add this to your website. I want to check it out. Hopefully that helps. Thanks, guys.